Hi guys, I'm not even sure if I'm in focus because I can't see the screen on this camera. Today's a really wet and miserable day. I'm outside with Nick and Stephen Whiteside. Set my tent up, I've got it heated up in here a little bit. I'll try and turn you around. So I've got the stove on in here, that's just heating me up gently. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. So my tent's a bit of a mess at the minute because I've not completely set up. So we're going to go for a tour and I'll show you who's here. There's some of my gear on the floor here. I've got some wood over there obviously and absolutely loads of absolute trash here. Going to be cooking later. Let's go for a tour. It's going to be raining and I don't know if you can hear me over the stream, so I might not talk much. Right, Nick, give us a wave.
Yo!
So just going around camp at the minute and got to go around to Stephen Whiteside's.
Posh little gimbal.
Just worried about the rain at the minute, so I don't want to record for too long. So I want to show just how vicious that stream is.
It's nasty.
Just a bit.
I took a video on my phone before of the, you know, the little beach area where the kids normally play.
Yeah.
It's not a beach. The tide's in.
I did manage to get down there earlier. I don't know if I'll be able to make it down now. Whoop, nearly went. Let's see if we can see Stephen Whiteside if he's still around. Here is Stephen Whiteside's camp, putting us all to shame. Are you gone back to bed? Can I just make a video, say hello? Oh, I thought you'd gone shop. I'm going nip shopping if you want out in a bit.
No, I'm going to nip off to sell in a bit as well.
Alright. I think he was sleeping. I think I might have woke him up a bit there.
Yeah, with the fair old fun. I thought, what's that noise? I couldn't hear it going there. But it was hailstone in. I carried on sleeping. Just whack. I felt great shake. I got up in one. Look behind me. It was there. Massive. look like this, he'd come right down me. I thought, if that would have hit me, that would have killed me. So I'm not going over there again. Yeah.
I'll go and say hello to the other guys. I've got mates show around there. So do you want to introduce yourself?
I am Mike from Green Mank Adventures.
I'm Woody from Green Mank Adventures.
I'm Gemma, just Gemma.
Just Gemma. And obviously Nick.
I'm Gemma, just Gemma. Yeah, I'm Nick, hello.
Here's Mr. Fox. Edward, what's the name?
Annie.
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 Honey.
As in bees, Annie. Whose cup's this? No idea, so I hung it up on the rope and it's fallen off again.
When I cleared that tent away, there was an ice flask.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, we're going to start prepping now for a spaghetti bolognese made in the woods. Right. Alright, all I'm going to do is quarter all these mushrooms. One more for good luck. So, just going to put that on there. I'm just going to wait for that coconut oil to melt, which is happening pretty quick. And then we're going to add the mushrooms there, and we're just going to quickly fry them up, just to shrink them down a bit, make sure they're definitely going to be good. I'll be back with you once the mushrooms have completely fried up, because I'm going to struggle getting these in with one hand. Alright, the mushrooms are pretty much cooked, so we're going to now get onto the meat, I believe. So again, we're letting that melt down. Alright, that should be plenty. Okay, this mince is now cooked. So now we're going to work on the second pan. This one is going to be hot, so I'm going to put it on the grass. Trying to do this with one hand. So I've got half of the mushrooms in there, a tin of chopped tomatoes. Trying to do this one-handed again. Struggling to be honest with you, so I'm going to play it down. A mix to the bolognese. We're using Coleman's spaghetti bolognese. So we're going to add some tomato puree. That should be enough. And then, this is hard work with one hand. I'm going to add wild garlic. I have never added this, so I don't know how much is too much. So we're going to just literally put that much, which is a tiny amount. Knowing my luck, it will be too much. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you. I've had half a bottle of a small whiskey bottle. I am completely drunk. Just waiting for the pasta, and then we're going to strain it, and then we are done. So now I'm just going to cook this for, I'm probably going to do it for 15 minutes, and then we are done.